Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. We got John with Synapse Auto, and you brought some stuff with you today. What do we got?
So this is an Allison transmission control module. A lot of these are having issues where you get either a harsh shifting or it doesn't know what gear it's in, a lot of different symptoms like that. Synapse goes through a remanufacturing process with this where we're actually replacing BGAs. We're using infrared to replace those BGAs back on the board. We're checking the connections with X-ray, the whole gamut for electronics remanufacturing to make sure that this is the best product for our customers to get them back up on the road.
And you do some other stuff in-house that's pretty cool with it. What is special about the housing?
Yeah, so with these TCMs here, we're actually cutting open the housing and replacing it with a 3D printed housing so that you don't have to cut straight through the heatsink or ruin any of that. That allows us to be able to go in, get to what we need to, and put a lid back on it.
That's fantastic. Well guys, if you have any of these issues going on in your transmission and you need to get a TCM, look no further than Synapse Auto. We've got them on the site. You can click the link in the bio or you can come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.